Hi everyone. So as we reported yesterday that exam for RBI Grade B Phase 1 could not be held at one of the centers, that is Doaba Group of Colleges in Kharad, Mohali, Punjab. So RBI has confirmed this news in the circular that was released yesterday that exam could not be conducted at this center on 9th of July. And RBI has also mentioned that now exam at this center would be conducted on July 13th. So I think RBI has acted very swiftly here and they have planned to reschedule the exam at this center or reconduct the exam at this center in a very short span of time, that is July 13th, 2023. I think this is a good move so that no other student does not get impacted or affected by this. And your result will get delayed, guys, to some extent. As in, I mean, earlier I was expecting that result should be out by say July 12 or July 13, but now re-exam is happening on July 13 at this center, right? So now result can be expected only after 13th of July. But RBI at the same time has said that there is no change in the phase 2 examination. So I think they are acting very swiftly. That's good. That is in the interest of the students. So after 13th of July, maybe they will try to publish the results very quickly and there is no change in the phase 2 examination. So आप जुड़ जाइए, टाइम उतना ही है जितना पहले था. There is no change, there is no respite for you. थकना मना है. चलो, best of luck. This is the small piece of news that I wanted to share. Thank you. Have a nice day.